bad comment. They can catch him now. So that when I begin crying, say, "Yo, my guy don't do again." I say, "No. But this is a man of his word, 247."
Yes, boss.
Zubby, you need to stop.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mac TV. Mac here with another exciting, delighting, and more interesting video here on the channel. So this one is a quick link up with Zubby Michael. I mean Jim Iyke and Zubby Michael. Quick link up and the plan on how they shut down East with Jim Iyke movie called Bad Comments, and it went down late all through. That's what we're doing here as well. We're showing you some part of Lady Gaga birthday celebration that went down within the week in London. It was lit, it was awesome here in the channel as well. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share comments in the comment section, your thoughts, your comments. Highly welcome here on the channel. So it went down late in London with Lady Gaga and his birthday party. Also here in the channel, Don Jazzy, Zubby Michael, the hangout, had a wonderful time. Also, you'll be seeing that part of the video here too. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the story one after the other. Enjoy, guys.
One whom I love. He has said that in the East he will give his word for bad comment. They can catch him now. So that when I begin crying, say, "Yo, my guy don't do again." I say, "No. But this is a man of his word, 247."
Yes, boss.
Zubby, you need to stop.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. See, I don't know. Way back when I privilege to have a cow. That big or cow. If you talk to collect, bad comment, that's the season. We're coming. That's the season. We're coming. Bad comments. If you talk, you collect. In Asaba, Southeast shut down. Bad comment, the movie. We're coming. Big J, that was great. Nice one.
Out here, people, and it's back coming, baby. Yo, look at this gorgeous movie. Okay, look at everybody here. We're about. Hey, what's this place called? Huh? Okay, we're the Third Brahmin Art Center. Oh my gorgeous girl. Look at that. That's Charlotte Saz.
Sorry, my name is Natasha.
She said her name is Natasha. It's just
Natasha. When you watch Bad Comments, you get it.
Yeah. No, it's everybody. 3 counts. Let's go. Go see. It's happening, people. 3, 2, 1. Bad Comments. Yeah. Woo!
Welcome to First Grammy.
Yeah, we started September 19th, and I'm here to invite specially Number J, my good friend, the king himself, Kcee, aka November, and my man, Mune Bise. Right, so I'll just do Mune. Alex, and this is for Don Baba J and Azubike.
The first thing you go feel rich, don't just that day.
No. September 19th. Yeah, Eco Hotel Lagos. Don Baba J coming through. Mune coming through. On September, make we call laugh. Say something. My brother, I never see it. I don't get to get it. I never see it. You see, for the Jazzy side, nothing don't do. They're coming. Don't need all this stress.
Just put all of us on Jazzy's table. That's all.
Shut up! You got artists. Guys, see you guys, man. Yeah, the crew hotel shut down. Yeah, we move. Same way, same energy.
We think that
52 years. Glenn Fee. Pasta Bitters live for all Zubby fans.
Lady Gaga took his birthday party to another level where he was seen in London with his London fans celebrating and having a wonderful time during the week. It was awesome, it was magnificent. Lady Gaga, who added a new year to his age, was in London for this particular show, and he just decided to link up with his close guys there and had a cool and a fun filled time all through the week there in London as they celebrate his birthday party. Anyway, without saying much, I'll let you watch the video. Don't forget to drop your comments wishing Lady Gaga a happy birthday in the comment section. you already know, Nigerian entertainment don't disappoint anywhere in the world. It's always fun feel, always catchy, and it's always vibeable anywhere in the world. Like they could always tell you, music no boundary, it travels from anywhere to anywhere. Thank you for watching my video here. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification, share, comment in the comment section. See you guys on my next video.